Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Faith Talks and Inspires. Today we are going to be making the ultimate better than anything cake. It's delicious and it's very easy to make, so let's get into it. So the ingredients you're going to need is a chocolate cake mix, condensed milk, sweetened, 5 Heath bars, caramel syrup, Cool Whip. You're gonna need 3 eggs, and make sure the Heath bars are crushed out. You're also gonna need 1.5 cup of vegetable oil and a cup of water. And so it doesn't stick, we're gonna use a spraying for the pan. So, and you're also gonna need a big bowl. So we're going to crack the eggs first. 3 eggs. Okay. Now we're gonna grab our chocolate cake mix. We're gonna throw it in there. And then we're gonna take our one half of our vegetable oil and pour it in. We're gonna take our 1 cup of water and pour it in. Then you're gonna take your whisk and mix it until it's consistent. This is how it's looking so far. And there we have it, our chocolate mix. So now we're going to grab our pan, our baking pan, and grab our spray and give it a nice shake and just spray the pan. This helps so it doesn't stick. And just spray a little bit, and then we're gonna take our chocolate mix, our chocolate batter, and pour it in. We're gonna take our whisk and scrape off the remaining batter in the bowl. Okay, and now we're gonna put this in the oven. Preheat your oven to 350, and depending on your pan size, we're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes. This is a 13 by 9, so we're gonna put it in the oven, and when it's done, we're gonna add the finishing touches to the cake. Okay, so it's out of the oven now. This is what it looks like. Now we're going to start the finishing touches. So what you want to do is grab a straw and start poking holes, like a lot of holes. And now we're gonna grab our bowl and mix our caramel syrup. Okay, like this. And now we're going to grab our condensed milk, and you're just gonna pour it. We're going to scrape off the remaining excess. Okay, like so. Make sure you get everything out. And then you're just gonna start mixing it together. So it looks like this. Okay, now you're gonna take the caramel combination of the sweetened milk and pour it on the cake into the holes. And put it all over the cake like that. And now we're going to take our Cool Whip and put everything on top of the cake. I'm gonna spread it all out, even it out. Okay, like that. And now we're going to put our crushed wheat bars and put on top of the Cool Whip. And this is optional, but if you want, you can put a caramel drizzle on top. And there we have it, the Better Than Anything cake. So now we are going to pop it into the fridge for 1 hour. That's how you make a Better Than Anything cake. I will come back to when it is done in the fridge. Okay, I'm back with the cake. It is done being in the refrigerator. So this is what it looks like. Now we're gonna cut it and so this is what it looks like. And there you have it, a Better Than Anything cake. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. I hope you guys learned how to make a new cake. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video.